Most people fail at budgeting for one simple reason. They make it too complicated. Spreadsheets, tracking apps, categories, calculations. But what if you could manage your money using just 3 numbers? Today I'll show you the 50/30/20 rule. The simplest budgeting system beginners can use to control money without stress. Stay till the end, because I'll show you how to apply it step by step to your real income. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about direction. The problem most beginners face isn't lack of income. It's lack of structure. The 50/30/20 rule became popular because it solves this. It gives your money a plan without making life complicated. Let's break down exactly how it works. What is the 50/30/20 rule? The 50/30/20 rule divides your income into 3 simple categories. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. That's it. No complicated math. No dozens of categories. No finance degree required. Instead of tracking every dollar, you just stay within these percentages. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to build real wealth. Category 1 to 50% needs. Needs are expenses you must pay to live. These include rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, insurance, transportation, minimum debt payments. If you stop paying these, your life gets disrupted. That's why they come first. If your needs are higher than 50%, it doesn't mean you failed. It just means your budget needs adjustment. The goal is progress, not perfection. Category 2 to 30% wants. Wants are lifestyle choices. These include eating out, streaming services, shopping, entertainment, travel, hobbies. These are not bad expenses. They make life enjoyable. But problems start when wants replace priorities. Most people overspend here, not on needs. The 30% limit keeps lifestyle spending fun, without letting it control your finances. Category 3 to 20% savings. This is the category that changes your future. Savings include emergency funds, investments, retirement accounts, extra debt payments. Most beginners try to save whatever is left over. But people who succeed do the opposite. They save first. That 20% is the part of your income that builds wealth. Even if you start with 5% or 10%, you're already ahead of most people. Consistency matters more than percentage. Real example. Let's say your monthly take-home pay is $3,000. Here's how the rule works. 50% needs equals $1,500. 30% wants equals $900. 20% savings equals $600. That's your structure. Not a guess. Not a hope. A system. When your money has a system, stress disappears. Common beginner mistakes. Most people fail budgeting because they try to track everything perfectly. Quit after one bad month. Set unrealistic limits. Ignore their spending patterns. The 50/30/20 rule avoids these problems because it's flexible. Overspent this month? Adjust next month. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. How to start today? Here's the simple process. Step 1. Calculate your income after tax. Step 2. Multiply by 0.50, 0.30, 0.20. Step 3. Compare with current spending. Step 4. Adjust slowly. That's it. No apps required. No spreadsheets required. Just awareness and small adjustments. Why this method works? The reason this rule works so well is psychological. It removes decision fatigue. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" you ask, "Which category does this belong to?" That one change makes money decisions easier. Simple systems always beat complicated ones. Who should use this rule? The 50/30/20 rule is perfect for beginners, busy professionals, people who hate tracking expenses, anyone who wants simple structure. It's not meant to be perfect. It's meant to be sustainable. And sustainable systems create long-term results. Final message. You don't need complicated strategies to manage money well. You just need a simple system you'll actually follow. The 50/30/20 rule works because it's realistic, flexible, and easy to stick to. Money management isn't about intelligence. It's about structure. If you want more simple money systems, AI financial tools, and proven strategies people use to grow wealth, subscribe to The Money System. Because financial success isn't about working harder. It's about using smarter systems.